Hello, and thank you for your interest in Pinnacle P2P Sales Leadership Forum. In the next 7 or 8 minutes, I'm going to show you how our members sell 36% more. If you're like most professionals, you're on a constant search for profits, growth, and peace of mind regarding your financial future. Let me show you how we'll provide those things for you. You see, the problem with sales today is many companies overpay for underperformance. This is a result of very little formal sales education. Companies are consequently managing with lagging indicators as opposed to leading indicators. Small to medium businesses can't afford a full-time sales training department, so candidly, more often than not, you settle for whatever you can get. We have no sales playbooks and no sales plans. As a result, people go out and do what they think is in the best interest of the company, but frequently those strategies cause the owners to look like the gentleman on your screen. Rather frustrated, I'd say. Companies make hiring mistakes, each of which costs the company $500,000 in future revenue, and that comes from the Wall Street Journal. The marketing footprint is far too small, and teams are very reluctant to accept automation at the level that they should. Consequently, many of our members used to feel like they were stranded on a deserted island. They were looking for help. Our forum provides that help, and it gets you out of that rock in a hard spot feeling that you may have regarding generating profitable revenue and maintaining some sort of work-life balance. You see, the source of this problem comes from the fact that North American universities do not offer diplomas in sales or sales management. Up until recently, that was the absolute truth. As of today, to the best of our knowledge, there are about 18 universities that have a 4-year program in sales, fewer in sales management. Consequently, the people that you're hiring are operating, once again, in the mode of what they think is in your best interest. Now, if you look like the gentleman on the screen with the white flag that you've run up, you've probably tried everything. You've hired more people, you've tried to pay them more, pay them less. You've implemented CRM systems, you've had all sorts of sales training events, all of which promised virtual, almost magical overnight improvements. You've tried to motivate your people, you may have flogged them, hopefully only verbally, and the list could go on. You see, the problem is you're trying to fix the wrong thing. The problem, according to our research, is not your people. It is your process. You know, the process that was first written down in 1873. Well, our Sales Leadership Forum is dedicated to helping sales professionals work with other sales professionals in a peer advisory group mode to implement a new curriculum which was developed by our founder, Gil Cargill. This curriculum is called the New Math of Sales Excellence, and I'll address it in just a moment or two. But the goal here is to help you implement predictable sales processes that will accelerate the acquisition of profitable revenue. That's what happens when you join our Sales Leadership Forum. Now, Gil Cargill's formula is based on the New Math of Sales Excellence. He has discovered that there are 5 metrics, and only 5 metrics, which can be adjusted to accelerate the acquisition of profitable revenue. The first of these is the number of first meetings that a team has on its calendar. The second is the length of the sales cycle. Shorten the length of the sales cycle, you can handle more transactions per year. Increase the dollars per transaction, and your overall revenue will go up. Improve your conversion ratios from leads to orders, your cost of sales will go down, and your effectiveness will improve. And then give your sales team more selling time, and that will translate into incremental revenue. Gil developed a formula that looks like this: the number of first meetings times the dollar per transaction times your conversion ratio divided by the length of the sales cycle times the full-time equivalent or available selling time equals the amount of revenue that can be produced. Our approach optimizes all 5 of these metrics, and you see, it's reasonable to assume that you could improve each of those somewhat, but what would happen if you improved all of them just 10%? You would have a staggering 72% increase in the acquisition of new revenue from current and/or prospective accounts. Now imagine 10% more first meetings. Is that doable? We think so. How about shortening the sales cycle by 10%? You see, the small things count, and that's what this is all about. So let's put 10% more first meetings in the calendar of the sales team. Let's get a handle on our current ratios and improve them. Let's give our sales team more selling time and less stress. We'll increase the dollars per transaction by showing the team how to sell value, not cost. And let's accelerate the closing so the sales cycle will actually be shorter. Combining all of those mathematically gives you tremendous leverage and a huge increase in your top line. Stop and think about it. What would happen were you to triple the number of first meetings that you attended on a quarterly basis? What would happen if you doubled the number of quotes that you published, quadrupled the number of relationships that you maintained? And what would happen if every decision maker considered you all of the time? And what would happen if all leads were pursued perpetually? Well, our unique approach will give you that and much more. You'll attend a monthly half-day meeting with other sales experts like yourself. You'll have trainers brought in who are topic matter experts on activities from internet marketing to social selling and all of the new technologies and concepts that are out there today. More importantly, you'll have an online training portal to train everybody in your company. You see, our philosophy is if we train everyone that can accelerate or de-accelerate the acquisition of revenue, your top line and bottom line will improve dramatically. It's about time that you seriously considered working on your business. Michael Gerber, in his famous book, The E-Myth, says that the entrepreneur that takes time to work on his or her business is the entrepreneur that achieves their dreams. We're here to help you work on your business. The next step is to meet with your chair, who is John Hughes, and determine whether or not one of his groups is a good fit for you. Then visit with that group to make sure that you'll be able to get the value that you need and that you can contribute. During your meeting with John, he will conduct an exercise that we call the Sales Potential Worksheet. The goal of this meeting is to give you insight into your total revenue producing potential. Give John a call at 310-821-2200. His email is jhughes@pinnaclepp2p.com. Pinnacle Sales Leadership Forums are standing by to help you exceed your dreams regarding revenue acquisition and bottom line improvement. We want to thank you for your time and attention and say good luck and good selling.